viewers, I'm Dr. Abhishek, professional pharmacist. In the previous physical inventory Excel sheet, we understand the variance and amount calculation. Now, in this amount, the total amount where we have a shortage and excess amount has been shown here. Now, in this column, how do we find out the excess and short amount? For this, we have just used click is equal sum sum. We use sum if formula. Select all the range, comma, press shift and select this quotation bar, press shift and select greater than. As we have to find out the excess, so we have to be use the greater than is equal to 1 and shift quotation mark, bracket close. We have to use this. This will show the all excess amount from this column. Likewise, for short is equal to sum if, select all the range, comma, quotation mark, now we have to use less than, shift and less than is equal to 1 and the quotation mark we again select and close the bracket, press enter. This will show the short amount. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz.